What if we have been looking for the fountain of youth in all the wrong places? We spend billions on synthetic creams and lab-created pills, completely ignoring the botanical compounds that actually train our cells to behave younger. Today, we are revealing 10 remarkable plants proven by science to protect your DNA, activate longevity genes, and restore your cellular health. Stick around, because number 1 contains a biological blueprint so effective that pharmaceutical companies are still trying to replicate it. If you are ready to rewrite how you age, hit that subscribe button and let us get right into the list. Let us start with something you likely already enjoy, but may have underestimated. The cacao tree, scientifically known as Theobroma cacao, translates to food of the gods, and its nutritional profile certainly earns that title. To be clear, we are not talking about processed sugary chocolate bars. This is about pure raw cacao. Cacao is one of the most concentrated sources of flavonols you can find. These antioxidants do something highly specific for your cardiovascular system. They stimulate the production of nitric oxide. This process relaxes your blood vessels and improves microcirculation. As we age, the tiny capillaries that feed our skin and brain begin to degrade, restricting nutrient flow. Cacao helps force blood back into those aging tissues. In clinical studies, individuals who consumed high flavonol cacao saw measurable improvements in skin elasticity, hydration, and a reduction in fine lines caused by UV exposure. The benefits extend beyond the skin too. Cacao flavonols cross the blood-brain barrier, triggering the creation of new blood vessels in the brain, which actively counters age-related cognitive decline. Moving to South Africa, we have Rooibos, commonly known as red bush tea. While green tea usually dominates the conversation around longevity, this naturally caffeine-free plant is quietly offering profound benefits for aging cells. Rooibos is uniquely packed with a rare antioxidant called aspartame, along with high amounts of the enzyme superoxide dismutase, or SOD. SOD functions as your body's master antioxidant defense system, actively hunting down the free radicals responsible for cellular decay. As you get older, your natural production of SOD plummets. Drinking Rooibos helps restock that primary defense line. Furthermore, Rooibos naturally contains alpha-hydroxy acids and zinc. Research indicates that the extract protects the skin's underlying collagen and elastin network from degrading. It does not just prevent new wrinkles, it helps your skin maintain the structural integrity it possessed years ago. Holy basil, also known as tulsi, is highly revered in Ayurvedic medicine. Modern science is finally mapping out the biological mechanisms behind its reputation for preserving youth. The secret here lies in its ability to masterfully regulate cortisol, your primary stress hormone. Chronically elevated cortisol is a well-documented driver of accelerated aging. It degrades collagen, impacts the memory centers of the brain, and fatigues the immune system. Tulsi acts as an adaptogen, lowering cortisol levels and protecting your tissues from stress-induced wear and tear. The real standout feature of Tulsi is a compound called ursolic acid. This compound has been proven to inhibit the formation of advanced glycation end products, or AGEs. These are harmful compounds formed when proteins and sugars cross-link, causing skin to lose its elasticity and become stiff. By blocking AGEs, holy basil interrupts the internal chemical reactions that cause you to look and feel older. Schisandra is a climbing vine native to Asia, and its berries are considered one of the most elite tonics in traditional herbal medicine. Laboratory studies are now showing exactly why it holds such high status. Schisandra contains unique lignans called schisandrins, which profoundly impact your liver. Your liver is the primary detoxification engine of the body. When its function slows down with age, toxins accumulate, leading to systemic inflammation, fatigue, and dull skin. Schisandra regenerates liver tissue and boosts the production of glutathione, a critical antioxidant for maintaining cellular youth. Additionally, Schisandra protects your mitochondria, which are the power plants of your cells. As mitochondria become damaged over time, physical energy drops and cellular repair slows down. This plant acts as a biological shield for these power plants, helping you maintain physical stamina. Moringa oleifera is often referred to as a highly valuable nutritional resource, and a quick look at its profile explains why. Beyond its dense concentration of vitamins and minerals, moringa contains a unique acid against aging, a plant hormone called zeatin. Zeatin is a cytokinin, a compound that dictates cell division and growth in plants. Researchers discovered that when zeatin is applied to human skin cells, it delays cellular aging, slows the breakdown of structural proteins, and increases cellular turnover. It essentially instructs older skin cells to clean themselves up and divide like young, healthy cells again. Moringa is also packed with over 40 different antioxidants and high levels of oleic acid to restore the skin's moisture barrier from the inside out. Consuming Moringa leaf powder provides your body with the exact chemical blueprints it needs to constantly regenerate. You have likely heard that a glass of red wine offers health benefits, but the true power lies directly in the grape seeds and the vine itself. Vitis vinifera is a rich source of longevity compounds, most notably resveratrol and oligomeric proanthocyanidins, or OPCs. Resveratrol is highly regarded in the scientific community because it directly activates the SIRT1 gene. Sirtuins are often called the body's longevity genes. When activated, they repair damaged DNA, reduce inflammation, and protect cells from programmed death. Resveratrol essentially mimics the biological effects of fasting, turning on these ancient survival pathways. Meanwhile, the OPCs found in grapeseed extract are clinically proven to bond with collagen and elastin in the skin, protecting them from degrading enzymes. This improves vascular elasticity, reduces age spots, and tightens the skin. This plant addresses aging at the genetic level, while physically reinforcing structural integrity. Consider how a plant survives the freezing, harsh conditions of high-altitude mountains. It produces specialized chemical compounds to protect itself. When humans consume Rhodiola Rosea, those exact same compounds protect our cells from the stress of aging. Rhodiola contains active compounds called rosavins and salidroside. In controlled studies, researchers found that these compounds extended the lifespan of certain test organisms by up to 24%. It achieves this by activating AMPK, an enzyme that acts as the body's master metabolic switch. As we age, our cells lose the ability to efficiently produce ATP, our primary source of cellular energy. Rhodiola directly stimulates the synthesis of ATP, bringing exhausted cells back to life. It fights the mental fog and physical fatigue that are often accepted as a normal part of getting older, teaching your nervous system how to be remarkably resilient. Gotu Kola is known in ancient traditions as the herb of longevity. While we can leave the ancient legends aside, modern science has verified exactly how this plant supports the brain and the skin. Gotu Kola contains active compounds called triterpenoids. Clinical trials have shown that these compounds significantly boost the production of type 1 collagen, the specific collagen responsible for giving youthful skin its firmness. However, its most profound effects occur in the brain. Gotu Kola stimulates the release of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF. This protein encourages the growth of new neural pathways and protects existing brain cells from age-related decay. It improves memory, increases attention span, and physically protects the brain's architecture from the wear and tear of time. In the mountainous regions of southern China, there are specific demographics with unusually high numbers of people living over 100 years. A staple in their daily routine is a tea made from a climbing vine called Gynostemma. Gynostemma is an adaptogen that shares many chemical similarities with Panax ginseng, but it operates with remarkable efficiency. It is one of the most potent natural activators of the AMPK pathway in the plant kingdom. By turning on this metabolic switch, it tells your body to stop storing fat and start repairing cells. Furthermore, Gynostemma increases the production of internal antioxidants, specifically SOD and glutathione. It helps clear out the metabolic waste that accumulates in your cells over the decades. It protects the cardiovascular system, regulates blood pressure, and boosts cellular endurance, improving the overall quality of your later years. Finally, we arrive at number 1, Astragalus membranaceus. This root is a focal point of modern science because it directly impacts the fundamental biological clock of your cells, your telomeres. Telomeres are the protective caps at the ends of your DNA chromosomes. Every time your cells divide, these telomeres get shorter. When they get too short, the cell stops functioning properly and enters a state of senescence. This shortening process is the literal definition of biological aging. Scientists discovered that specific molecules inside this root, most notably a compound known in research as TA65, activate an enzyme called telomerase. Telomerase actually physically rebuilds and lengthens your telomeres. Astragalus contains compounds that can extend the protective caps of your DNA, allowing your cells to continue dividing and acting like young cells. It supports the immune system, protects the heart, and delays cellular aging at the most fundamental genetic level. It is one of the most significant botanical discoveries for cellular longevity. The true fountain of youth is not a billion-dollar pharmaceutical secret. It has been growing in the earth for millions of years. You now have the exact blueprint to stop fighting the clock and start actively rewriting your cellular biology. Which of these 10 botanical powerhouses are you adding to your routine first? Let me know in the comments below. If this video changed the way you look at getting older, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and join our community. We are taking control of our health and our future, one plant at a time. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.